আচ্ছা, আপনার তো কানেক্টে পোস্ট গুলো অসাধারণ।
আরে না, কি বলেন?
So, good evening, everyone.
Kunal has also joined.
Oh, so we all know Bengali, right?
No.
Oh, so now we just introduce some people. So, first of all, I am Kollan Pal, local guide level 8. I am from Kolkata, and I am going to over the mic to Pritish বিশ্বাস. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you, Kollan. Uh, Thank you for the today's virtual meetup on accessibility. This is the first virtual meetup on accessibility on behalf of West Bengal Local Guides. So Kollan is the host and I am the co-host. So let us first start the introduction session. There is Bidur from West Bengal, Mukulda from Bangladesh, and Kunal. Kunal is also doing great job on accessibility. We have seen lots of posts on Connect from him. So let us start the introduction session. So, Bidur, can you please introduce yourself, your local guide level, and from where you are?
Good evening. My name Bidu Chandra. I am from Howrah, West Bengal, India, and my local guide level is 7. Thank you.
Thank you, Bidur. Thank you for being with us. Next is Kunal. Kunal, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi. Hi. I'm
Hello, you are
audible.
audible.
Hi, I'm Kunal from Amravati, Maharashtra, India.
And what is your local guide level?
And I'm on level 8.
Okay, that is great. You are active on Connect nowadays. That is great actually, and your accessibility work is also going great. So hope we
Yeah,
all
yeah.
will also
Thank
be
you.
able to contribute on accessibility. You keep going and stay with us. Thank you, Kunal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next is Mukulda from Bangladesh. Mukulda.
Hello everybody, good evening. This is Mukul from Bangladesh, local guide level 8. Thank you, Kalanda and Pritida for arranging this nice meetup.
Thank you too for joining.
Thank you, Mukulda. Let us start, Kullan.
Okay, so please mute all because if you not mute, please Kunal. Okay, thank you. Now I am starting a short presentation. Please notify me if it is visible to you all.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, this is a accessible awareness by WLG meetup banner, and we all use this banner. This is hashtag accessible Bengal, and we started this program 2020 hashtag accessible Bengal, and we also host numerous of meetup and physical, and this is the first virtual meetup. So now I just want to say about something on accessibility, that is way to contribute on accessibility information on Google Map. So we have some information and some option to contribute the accessibility, that is on your review. If you review a place, then please in your content of review please mention that the place is either accessible or not. And you can use the accessible sticker or hashtag accessible so that everyone can see this session and this portion more attentionally, and it will attractive to all. And another is when you sorry, when you submit any photo, then you write the caption, that is entrance is accessible or not, and the other related information on accessible on the photo caption. And second and third one is you can make a list which is very much helpful to those who are wheelchair accessible and who those are blind and not hearing properly. So this list will help them a lot. So in this way we can help those who are badly needed it. And another option is very much important, that is if you search any place on Google Map, then you can see the about option, and this about option, if you click this about option, you can see the describe place, and in this describe place you can also see the status, either wheelchair accessible park, wheelchair accessible entrance, or wheelchair accessible lift, and wheelchair accessible sitting place and toilet, either available or not. If you see that these features is available on that place, and so you just write all the click, and then you can send the option. And other, if you see that there is no one is accessible, like an entrance, like a car parking area is not available, lift is not available, then you can mark just like this, and send button, through send button you can send this. So this is my all entire presentation, and I hope this will something I can share with you all to give a better that accessible information. So I hand over the Pritish বিশ্বাস to say something about option in the Google Map, which I showed in the last presentation. So over to Pritish.
Kullan, thank you so much. Thank you for the presentation. Dr. LV Pal has joined. So, Dr. Paul, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I hope you guys can see me. I have some technical problems with
Yeah.
my laptop, so I'm joining from the phone. My name is Alvi Paul. I'm currently in Philippines. I'm local guide level 8. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And one more.
Actually, whatever Kulanda has told, uh, just I am trying to show how to write a review and how we can add the accessibility features in the reviews, like using the accessible emoji. Because why emoji? Because image also always captures the attention easily. So that's why we are basically using emojis. So this is like a review of a restaurant. So what point should we note? Like if there are point wise we can write if there is accessible toilets, accessible entrance, ramp, or accessible car parking, etc. So this is the point I just want to mention regarding the review. And what is another thing, that is the Kolanda has already told, that is the about section of any restaurant or hotels. So like here you can see for a restaurant, here extreme right there is the about section, and after just clicking the about there is option describe the place. So if you click the describe this place, you can see there is, I have already submitted these points. So if there are whichever accessible car parking, entrance, so you can do in the same way. So why we need to do that? If we do that, then if the business is verified, then it will automatically show here. In this section it will automatically show, but I think this is not verified, that's why it is not showing probably. I don't know why it is not showing. So this is the only the point I want to mention. So Kolanda.
And
And also one more thing, here you can see the know this place option. If you click this know this place, then there will be options like uh, there will be lots of questions. So you can also submit yes, no, or not sure. If you don't know the answer, please submit not sure. And this place is only you should do this, obviously do this only for where you have visited. If you have not visited any place, please don't do this. Thank you.
And also mention in this question and answer section, you also see the accessible information, that is in the question section. You also see that how this place is accessible or not, is this place accessible? Yes, no, and not sure option. And obviously this place is accessible, then you can say yes, or if not, then you can say no. So and this way we can update the Google Map in accessible information, so that everyone can get helpful and get more help to this person and to this way. And one more, I saw in very places, much places, that there are no option to the place is accessible and about option. So there is no review such that so there that POI is not required to the place is accessible or not. It is my opinion, and I don't know the actual reason behind it. So over to Pritish, if you want to say anything. Hello. So as we committed, we can listen from our local guide Mukul Rahman. And Mukul Rahman Dada, please say about the accessible information and your experience and your idea on the Google Map and information about accessibility. Please say.
Thank you, Kalanda. Good evening, everybody, once again. Accessibility is very important, and we must take care when we write our review on anything. We must ensure that we are mentioning whether it is accessible by wheelchair or not. Uh, During question answer, you will always find two questions. Is it accessible? Is there any wheelchair accessible entrance and wheelchair accessible parking? As Pritija said, we must be sure to answer these two type of question, because this is very important, and Google also consider these two questions very with priority. Because disabled people, if we provide them wrong information, then they will face huge trouble based on our information on accessibility. In Bangladesh, some places have a wheelchair accessible ramp. Not most of the places do not have, but I have seen several places where there is a wheelchair accessible ramp. But as a local guide, we must open our eyes, and we should take care to find out the places where there is wheelchair accessible ramp or other things. So if we mention them, then this will be very helpful for others to use this place. And Kolanda, Pritishda, you are really doing great for accessibility in West Bengal. I am really very proud of both of you, because you are doing very actively. And yes, other local guide also should take care about this. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mukul Rahman Dada, for your for sharing the information about accessibility on your BF experience and idea. So next, I just want to request to Kunalda, please say about something on accessibility in your idea and in your experiences. Please say.
Yes, I similarly think just like you that accessibility is really important. So I am contributing towards accessibility program in very much way. As Mukulda said, we should take the photos of ramp of various places, that it has wheelchair accessible ramp or not, or whether it has wheelchair accessible toilet, etc. And I am just like Kalyanda said that so some places don't have the about option. We have also discussed that in our group that many places don't have that about option, so we have to write it in that review that whether this place have wheelchair accessible ramp, toilet, etc. So I can just say all of this just like.
Okay, thank you so much. And after that, I request to Bidur Chandra. Please share your experience and your idea on accessible and also the program on accessible Bengal, because of you are the active member on this campaign accessible Bengal. Please say.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Accessibility is the most important thing in Google Map. We must contribute for those who are disabled, currently disabled. I saw most of the rail stations are accessible only the platform number 1 or platform number 5. The middle platforms like 2 or 3 or 4 is not accessible. So when we review a platform or a station, we must input this information that about platform 1 and platform 5 are accessible, or where only one entrance of the railway platform. So we must include the thing. Many government offices have the option for accessibility, but there are some problem in many hospitals also. Hello.
Hello, you are audible. Oh, okay. And thank you for your for sharing the experience and your idea and your whatever about disability. So thank you. And another one is right now joining Rohan. Rohan, please introduce yourself, where you live and your local guide level. Hello, Rohan. Am I audible? Please notify.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I think Rohan has some problem. So now next, Adi Babu. Adi Babu, please introduce yourself, where you are and what is your local guide level. Hello. And after that, Ashish Sarkar. Ashish Sarkar, please introduce yourself. Hello, Ashish Sarkar. So no, if something problem, I think. And after that, I request to Alipal, if you have any experiences and you have any idea about an accessibility, please share with us.
Hi, Kalyan. Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Actually, I'm from a very rural village in Kerala. So they're thinking about accessibility is, I think Ashish is online now.
So just
Okay.
you can continue.
Okay. So they're thinking about accessibility is almost impossible. Like we can't actually find any restaurant or hotels or any shops with accessible entrance or ramp or accessible lift, accessible parking. We can't even think about it. But after coming to Philippines, I actually understood the need, what it can help for the people who need it. So now I have started to add ramp access, whatever the accessibility facts in Google Maps. In my reviews, I will add it separately. Even though I couldn't add directly to the edit, I will add the reviews so that when people will see the review, they can understand there is accessible ramp or accessible seating, like that. Sometimes in the edit, when we describe the place, we give the edits, but it takes longer time to get it approved. So rather than waiting for the approval, I will give in the review that if that place has accessibility, ramp, parking, like that. So I think it will be more helpful for the people.
Okay, thank you for sharing the your experience and your personal idea with us. And
Thank
after
you.
that, I welcome. After that, I request Ashish Sarkar, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Ashish Sarkar from West Bengal and I am a level 9 local guide. And today discussing an accessible point is most important things. Nowadays I am looking West Bengal, most of the schools and colleges have the accessible RAM. It's helpful for all the person who are disabled, and I think it's hello
Hello,
hello
yes, you are audible. Please continue, you are audible.
hello. I think my network was not okay.
Yes, you are audible. You can continue. I think he has some internet issue. So next, I just want to say that accessible feature is most important to our life and to our daily life, because of we all have an old age person and the child and also the um, people who are not able to feel their daily life as we are continue, and we are feel the daily life like that. So at the accessible information, if we put any information on the Google Map, then it will be much helpful to them and to all to find any places on Google Map, any information like there is an parking, there is an accessible toilet, and accessible uh, other related things, that is the blind, for any blind, they can and they can see the review on the that the review section. And in the review, after the review section, they read all review, and after the seeing the photo, the ramp, and the other things, they will also things that is it accessible or not, and is it the perfect place of them or not. So I just hand over to Pritish because she has she will say something on accessible and the relevant information on the quality contribution to Google Map. So please, Pritish.
Thank you, Kollan. I just want to mention, instead of giving reviews like only 1 star, 5 star, why we need to write something which will really help people. Like here, you can see in the review of some place. I can show the name. Someone has given a 1 star and something bad one, and in the case of review of the ATM, which will actually not help anyone. But if you can write the review, just take it will take maximum 1 to 2 minutes, which we basically waste in a day. Maximum time we waste uh, doing many things. But instead of that, if we can write whenever we are writing the review, if we can write in a small way like this, so that can help a lot of people. We also don't know, unknowingly it will help lots of people. So that is a thing. And one more thing also, we need to be local guides connect forum bound. We need to be little bit active in local guides connect, which we say each and every time in every meetup. Being active in local guides connect uh, is really very important. Also to get selected in connect live, we each and every local guide actually dreams of being selected in connects live. But the pathway to get selected there nowadays is very it will take time. Like how much time they will see your activities in the past 1 year, how much meetup or you have either hosted any meetup, and how is the recap of the meetup. And without recap, meetup is not complete, and what you have done in the past 1 year as a local guide. So that is very much important. So that is the thing I want to mention. So we can spend 5 to 10 minutes in local guides connect instead of Facebook or WhatsApp. So we can do that. So that is the only thing I want to mention. And during writing the reviews, as each and everyone has said, so we can include these accessibility points. So that is the thing. Thank you.
Okay.
Kalanda, I think crazy guy Bizu should say something. He did not introduce himself yet.
Okay. So crazy guy, please introduce yourself and where you live and your connect ID and your local guide level.
Hi everyone, my name is Nagavijay. I am from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. My local level is 7. Presently, I am collaborating with Travel Guide G. Presently, I am new to Local Connect. Try to improve myself with accessibility. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for joining in this session, and we will try to update the accessibility information to Google Map, and also we will try to spread our awareness why we should need and update the information on Google Map. So right now I think Shruti is now joining. So please Shruti, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Shruti ma'am.
Hi. Namaskar all.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskaram.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
So Shruti ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Namaskar. I am Shruti from Mumbai and level 10 local guide. Thank you.
So if you say something about accessibility status and accessibility information on your experience and your idea, because of you are now much active on accessible information to the Google Map and Connect Forum. So please say your experience and idea.
एक्चुअली थैंक यू आपने मुझे ये चांस दिया बात करने के लिए, लेकिन मुझे इतना एसेबिलिटी के बारे में पता नहीं है. एक्चुअली मैं न्यू भी हूँ. आपसे सीखना चाहती हूँ. थैंक यू.
Oh, and thank you for joining with us. And more Tijol ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Tejal Chaya.
एक मिनट तेजल बहन, मैं थोड़ी बिजी हूँ तो मैंने थोड़ी देर बाद ज्वाइन करती हूँ. ओके.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Tejal Chaya, level 8 local guide from Valsad, Gujarat. Thank you.
And if you want to say your idea and share your experience with us about accessibility, you can.
Let me listen something from you, then I will later on I will explain regarding it.
Okay. So next
We should welcome Rosie Kohli ma'am.
Sorry?
Rosie ma'am is here, I see.
oh
Yeah.
yes.
Hi everyone. This is Rosie Kohli, local guide level 7 from Mumbai. And all the best for your meetup. Thank you.
And thank you for joining with us. And if you want to say something about accessibility, you can share your experience and your idea with us.
Yeah. To be frank, actually, about accessibility, I didn't know anything. I had learned from Kashif Bhai, and since from then, I took a oath that in my every review, I will put about accessibility, whether the place is accessible or not. And last year in 2020, when Sagar had a meetup, that time we decided that we will give 1 point less if the place is not accessible. So I follow that and I'm doing. And in my every review, I write whether the place is accessible or not. And sometimes the shop owners ask, because once I gave them less point, so he told, "आपने तो बहुत अच्छा लिखा, why you gave 1 point less?" Then I explained him, your place is not accessible. So they also didn't knew. Then I explained them and I told when the place will be accessible, again I will change my review. So we should follow all these rules unitedly and make our country place accessible for disabled people. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for sharing with us your experience, and your idea is much better because of if you say any POI and any places that I give you a 3-star or 4-star because of this place is not accessible, so they will improve, and surely they will improve the system, the accessibility system, and after that we all places can enjoy equally. So over to Pritish, please. Hello Pritish, if you want to say something, you can. Hello Pritish. I think he has some problem. So I just to tell you something about the highlighted point. That is the in our review. We just if we review something, some places that this place is nice and good for our. This is not a quality contribution. In quality contribution, we should have include that the place is where the place is, and the your experiences with the places, and also the accessibility information and the car parking area, and and the other, if you order that the places, and if you feel any information, then you can also you can also say in your review, and that will be a quality contribution and quality for review.
Kalland, I want to add 1 point here is that
Yes, yes, please.
the local guides who in review who write good, bad, just like one word, they are not real local guide. Do you understand my point?
Yes.
They just
Yes,
went there and Google asked them something. When they write the review, they just write one word. And
They are customer or visitors.
yeah, right. But they are not real local guide like us, like we.
Yes, you are absolutely right, and they are not a local guide, because of they can't explain the place, how the place is, and which will information we should avoid, and which will we have to follow, that the place actually
Even
local.
sometimes they write without knowing why they are writing.
Actually, all these content, if we write a review in a single word and single point, that's a thumbnail. This is all also a spamming content. I think so. And also I in your photography, and I think many places have an multiple type of selfie and other family album and other video which is not related to that places. So these also are spamming, and we have to avoid this such type of map, such type of photo to add on Google Map. So we have to add the photo of a place which will describe the place, actually describe the place. So we have to add 4 or 5 photo, that is enough to that place. And also I suggest everyone, and please in your 4 or 5 photo, please include one photo which is informing that the place is accessible or not, because of in this photo, by saying who will visit the place, and after lifting before lifting home, they search the place on Google Map and see the photo, there is a ramp, so they can make a plan that we have to we can visit the place, and this is the ideal place for us, and for a week. So and in a and after that, in a video, if you upload a video that is a spamming video, that is any other story of the storyline and other cinema, cut cinema, and 30-minute other photo, like a TikTok, and we know all. So this is also spamming, and you have to upload a photo which is meaningful and which is quality content. That is one photo you can update the font of the places, and another photo you can upload on your on that place, that the place is accessible or not. And you can make a video that the ramp is a broken ramp, or the ramp is a smooth ramp for the freely accessible. So this way we can contribute our review, our quality contribution we can make it.
But I think Rosimam is doing the right thing. We are writing review about accessibility, that is okay, but we are not awareing the owner of the building or the shop or the anything. We must tell them that you should have some accessibility facility. Otherwise, they will never do it. If they add the accessibility facility in any building, even if we do not write in a review about it, the disabled people will be able to access that building or access that shop. So, Kolanda and Pritishda, what you are doing, that is okay, but we should also take some steps to aware the building owner or the shop owner or any business owner that they should add the accessibility facility. Otherwise, we are writing that will not do most benefit. The maximum benefit will come when they will add the accessible ramp in their business.
Yeah, sure, Mukulda. In here you can see the stickers of Accessible Bengal by West Bengal Local Guides. So recently, personally, I have started doing the same. Recently, I have visited one restaurant. So there I have asked the. You can see the review here also, the same restaurant. So I have talked with the owner and I have shown him the sticker. So he has shown interest on doing the same, and I have so he was asking for the sticker from me that he will stuck it in front of the main entrance uh, when he will complete the ramp. But I have told him that no, first you complete the ramp, then I will visit, then I will give you the sticker. So that is the thing. Yeah, that is a very great point. Yeah, sure, we will start.
Thank you, Pritishda.
May
And
I add
one,
something?
yes, please.
Yeah, sure.
Pritish Bhaiya, you are totally right. And some common people, they doesn't know the importance of ramp access actually. So sometimes we have to tell them that if you are building a ramp, this will be helpful for the people, those who need it. So I have felt it also. Recently, a new shop opened near my place. So I have visited them and they didn't have any access, but I have talked with the owner and at last he understood. He agreed that he's going to build a ramp, and I'm so happy that I could do it. Like you said, for some people we have to make them understand the need of it. Thank you.
Thank you, LV. Dr. LV, you are really said good, done great. Yeah, Kullan.
Thank you. And Anil Singh ji has joined. Let's welcome Anil Singh ji. I think he will also share his thoughts about accessibility with us.
Sure, thank you very much.
Jai Shri
In fact,
Krishna.
I'm in the accessible property now, right? And the thing which you have
Oh,
shared
that's great.
about, it's a wonderful thing. The thing which you are already adding toward accessibility, I would like to add on 1 2 point, right? Which can be useful. What I have come to know, Dr. Alvi, that's a wonderful thing which you have done, and the sense of happiness for helping something which you have got, that is beyond imagination, and that cannot be accessed. টাকা দিয়ে ওটা তুলনা করানো যায় না, right? So what I'm saying, the based on the which you can offer is talk to the business people, talk in terms of their business. Say for example, Pritishda, you are having a business, one disabled person will come, he never comes alone, okay? He will come with 3 to 4 person, always. We never send anybody disabled person alone, okay? Say for I'm having a restaurant, so along with me minimum 4 person will come, or at least 2 person will come. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can calculate the business. Je dada apni janen na, you don't know in the whole day how many people you have missed. Even one people missed means you have missed 4 customer. If I'm coming with my grandfather, so I will also eat with my grandfather. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? So suppose in a day if you are missing one disabled person, so in a month you are going to miss 30 into 4. How much? 120 customer you are missing per month.
Yes, this is a huge loss to the owner, and he have to mind
So
it. And
suppose if one customer is eating thali of say 100 or 200 rupees even, so 4 customer is how much? 12 4 jar 480. 500 rupees per day you are losing by not making it accessible.
Yes.
yes,
So in a month how much you are losing? 15,000 rupees. In a year how much you are losing?
and that will be huge
15,000
amount.
12. How much?
Around 2 lakh
Calculate
almost.
it. Show them, because they are business people, they understand the business. And your investment for ramp will be not more than 1200 or 15 or 5,000 at the most. Make sense?
Yes,
So by this pitch, you can improve and really help as a accessibility real champion. Thank you very much for giving me inviting. Use it. I have used it. I have converted 2-3 restaurant owner, and I found it successfully done. Thank you.
I want to add one point with Onil there. That is, when a disabled man come to our shop or any shop, and if they find that that shop is accessible with his wheelchair, then he will regularly come to that shop. He will not search for another shop. He will go to that particular shop which has the accessible ramp.
True, true.
And the owner will get a regular customer. Maybe other disabled people will also come to that shop regularly.
Good point. They have got their own WhatsApp group. They have got their own among close group. They can share with, hey, this is a good place. There is a ramp available. And they know each other. Even the Muk Badir, those who can't speak, disabled people, they used to have their own circle. So that way you can spread your business. Thank you.
Yes, yes. This way it is going to be a permanent business for the owner, business owner.
yes. The point where we are arise in this session, that is really good and really impressive. We can make the one little contribution on the map and on the owner by saying that this and by contribution on Google Map, that will change the whole status of of that place and of that any information and any point. Then it is very much impressive and very much good idea. So thank you, Anil ji and Rosi Kohli ma'am for their sharing their experience and they which they are faced and they now they can change their the life and the whole things and on Google Map and the surrounding the area. So thank you. And
Kalyan, we have Rohan with us. He has also he is also doing great meetups in Mumbai. Recently, he has done. So we also want to hear something from Rohan. Rohan, please. Hello, Rohan.
I think Rohan has some internet problem, so I request him before he cannot reply. I think he has an internet problem.
Okay, so Kalyan, you can continue.
So one more thing, if you want to camera on and if you want to say if you want to open your camera and we have to attach the this capture and screenshot in the on the recap post. If you turn on your camera and we have a take a screenshot for our recap post. So so I request to Pritish, please take a screenshot of the participant who joined with us in this session.
Wait.
And
okay, complete.
Okay.
So thanks to everyone, each and everyone, for joining with us. This was the first ever virtual meetup on accessibility by West Bengal Local Guides, and Kalyan has taken the initiative. Thank you so much. Special thanks to Dr. L.V. Pal. He is busy as a doctor, and each and everyone for joining with us. Thank you. Kalyan.
Congratulations, Pritish, Kolanda, and Doctor. You have done a very good step. You have taken the initiative. My best wishes are with you, and definitely you are going to rock. All the best.
And
Kalyan, Pratish, thank you so much for doing this meetup. Thank you so much. And sorry I joined late.
no, it's okay. And you joined and lately, and you joined in the mid time. Then it's okay. Your thoughts, you share your idea and your experience, your thoughts with us. Then it is a very and it is impressive that I can learn from you something. And through the meetup, I always try to learn from you all, which I don't know even. So in the meetup session, I always try to learn something from you, and I also I also share my experience and idea with you all, which I know, and I gather the experience from the post and from other side of experience. So
sweet of you. Thank you. And lastly, I would say put the sign of this accessibility. This Kashif Bhai taught us. I've started putting the sign in my reviews. The place is accessible or not. You have to put the sticker and write down. So some people don't know what is accessibility. When they see the signboard, they understand that what we have written. So always put the sticker. Okay. Thank you so much.
yes, and
Thank you, Pratish.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
everyone.
Kalyan. It was very nice meeting, and you are doing the great job. And our best wishes from Gujarat and me are always there. Anil bhai, Jai Shri Krishna. After long
Jai Shri Krishna,
time.
Krishna
Kem
Tejal bhai.
છો? After long time.
મજામાં मैं जिम
Pritish,
कार्बेट
continue. Arre, wow. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So,
Over to you,
I
Pritish and
actually
Kalyan.
want to mention that I am eagerly waiting for the day when each and every one of us will physically meet in any meetup in any part of
Very true,
India.
very true, very true.
and one more thing, I just yes, if anyone can tell, please say. Okay.
No, I want to say, as Priti just said, that physical meetup. Anilda, is it possible to postpone the Asian one meetup, and you can do it later after the pandemic is over in June or July instead of February?
That time we will conduct the Asia One season 3 at the grand celebration.
See, the dates are sacrosanct. People have been informed. The preparation are going on a full swing. So,
Everything is ready now, so we can't postpone that right now.
Correct. No,
so
very
invitation
soon we will meet
you can see.
physically.
Ah.
And Mukund, come. See, last time they told, this time also, it might, they said they won't have Connect Live. So I told you all are welcome to India. We will have here.
Exactly.
Definitely, I will go.
And
इंडिया नहीं देखा तो क्या, हाँ, एंड इंडिया नहीं देखा तो क्या देखा, गुजरात नहीं देखा तो इंडिया भी नहीं देखा.
No. And these meetup now,
Yeah,
community
exactly.
life that time, they were just telling them it might not be there this year also. So they told we are looking for some new place. So that time jokingly I told come to India. So Ernest and they were taking what you say firki of me. They told we are coming to India. Rosie Kohli will come to Mumbai. Paul was there. I said you all are most welcome. Then that day, that time they told we need a place where you can accommodate 250 people. I said in my colony there is a ground where I can accommodate more than 250 people. Then they asked, what about the food part? I said just 5 minutes away is a Gurdwara where you can have food also. Of course, you won't get non-veg and all, but you will get food. Then Paul told we play cricket also. I told next to the ground there is a cricket ground where you can play cricket, and they were started laughing. They told, "Wow,
Everything is available. Everything
yes,
is
I
available."
told only you need to come and we will do. You see how we Indians do. We are ready to welcome you. You come to India. Then they said, wow, they were very happy. So we are always ready to welcome. And very soon, physically, we pray to God everything gets normal. And everyone wants to meet each other physically. And we will meet. Thank you.
Or else you want to come to jungle, come to Jim Corbett.
Yeah.
तो अनिल भाई उधर किधर पहुंच गए? ट्रेनिंग
घूम रहे जंगल में.
तेजल मैम, स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी में मीटअप हुआ है क्या अभी?
नहीं, अभी सोच रहे हैं हम लोग करेंगे. अलाउड नहीं है ना, अभी तो चालू हुआ.
अच्छा,
वर्चुअल हो गया.
Yeah, virtually हो गया. Yes.
Now we are thinking about the physically. Let's see. Hope for the best.
মুকুল, তুমি এশিয়া ওয়ানে ভার্চুয়ালি জয়েন করতে পারো, ঠিক আছে? ইউ ক্যান জয়েন ভার্চুয়ালি.
ভার্চুয়ালি তো জয়েন করবো, ফিজিক্যালি দেখা যাক কি করা যায় পরের বার.
হ্যাঁ, ফিজিক্যালি হলে আমরা একটু বেশি আনন্দ পাই. As we said, our meetup program will be in English and Bengali, so we can talk in Bengali. Those who are interested to say in Bengali.
Or if you want to see the Royal Bengal tiger, then you have to go to West Bengal.
Yeah, sure. Actually, the 50th meetup of West Bengal Local Guides will be after just 4 meetups. So we are planning to do it in largely like Bangladesh Local Guides have done. So we are planning to do it in mountain or jungle. So let's see. So all are welcome.
Darjeeling. Then Darjeeling.
Yeah, that can be happen.
Wow, good idea.
What is the time?
Mukul, let's see. There are still to 9 meetups before the 50th comes. So you are planning. Okay.
So you need about 3 months.
Oh, that's great.
And I think if we all join with the 50th meetup, then it will be more, we can enjoy a lot. Because of in virtual meetup we cannot able to enjoy a
So
lot
thank
because
you
of
very much. All a happy Republic Day. It's from India.
Happy Republic Day.
Yeah.
Kindly allow me.
Happy Republic Day, Anil.
अनिल भाई मुझे आपसे कुछ काम है. I will call you later.
Yes, yes, yes. You can call me directly. Anybody can call me. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Thank you. Thank you all.
So in last position, I just want to say that we just started our Accessible Bengal program in from the last year, probably in the month of October. So we just got a huge success because of we can able to award our surrounding people and through host a physical meetup and through a virtual meetup, and it will be great, which we the local guide team done, and we will continue this campaign. See how we can. So over to Pritish, if you say something, and we have just 4
So
minutes.
now, not actually great. So it will be great only when we will be able to inform for whom we are doing the same. So only then it can be successful. So we are planning to do awareness among the disabled person, especially those who use wheelchair. So that we have planned. So we'll go to them, and then we will tell them how to use Google Maps, like Tejal ma'am has already done, she is doing, and Nareshji has done. So we have learned from them. So we will start doing so very soon. So then we can say that it has done something, not successful, we can say. So that is our plan. So thank you everyone.
If you need any help, any guidance, I am always there with you.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Thank you so much. So let's
Welcome.
finish today's meetup. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for
Okay.
sure.
joining.
Bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you, everybody.
Okay,
Goodbye.
goodbye and good night.
Thank you,
to all.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, Mukulda is gone. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye. Okay. Tata.
Thank
Bye, everyone.
you, everyone. Bye. Good night.